Hi everybody, sorry if you can't see me, I don't really know, but I'm just going to show you my dogs. They're 3, but it might be 2, but it doesn't really matter. So let's go into it. So 2 of them are fighting, Shadow and Rexy. If you have seen that video, please subscribe or like, and do that to the same to this video. So I'm just going to sit in the chair and let's fight. They fighting. It's not like real fighting. Ooh. Just gonna go back. See, they come to me. Ooh. Let's go. I think they're going back. They're going back. And then they're going back to the garden. Ow, ow, not near me, not near me. Look, he's actually pulling Rexy. Now they're going serious. Shadow's younger and Rexy's older. Just a little bit. Rexy's like a little bit older than him. They're still puppies. The older one is still a puppy. What are you gonna do, Rexy? Rexy, get him! Rexy, sit! Sit! Rexy, sit! Sit! Give me a hand. Give me a hand. Thank you. See? Hand? Hand, Rexy? Hand? Good boy. Let me see. Fight him. Oh yeah, I wanted to show you that look, oh my gosh, yesterday I filled up that tin. They put their feet in it. I feel so sorry for Zoe. And Rexy does it too. Rexy did it first because he was born earlier. So yeah. This is my dogs. Zoe over there, Rexy, and Shadow. Okay, that's the end of the video. Please subscribe. Please like the video. Bye. Sorry, my nose is disgusting. Bye bye. Want to say bye? Shadow, can you give me a hand? Never mind. Rexy, sit. 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 Good boy. Hand. Good boy. Can you please say it? Give a subscribe and like. And then you're going to sleep now? You're not? Ha! I scared Shadow. They are scaredy cats. So, ew.